Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. There's two things that I always look for when it comes to my headphones. That they're super comfortable since I wear my headphones at night, and also that they have really good sound that blocks out noises around me. These awesome headphones by Anchor do exactly that. I'm really impressed that after several months of use, these headphones are really good for wear and tear. The headphones have a really nice thick padding on the top that goes over your head, and the part around your ears is soft and squishy like a memory foam. It's so soft and easy to wear these whether you're laying down or sitting up. The headphones are nice and flexible, and they rotate at the base, and they completely fold up for travel. I also appreciate that these connect to my Bluetooth devices with no problem. So you have the option of one at a time to connect very easily, whether it be to your phone, tablet, or even your computer. The headphones also can be connected by wire, and of course they include a charging cord so that you can charge them up very easily. Once you have these charged, they do uphold to their bragging rights of being able to stay charged for about 60 hours. Then I charge them up and I'm ready to use them again with no problem. Overall, I'm really impressed with the sound quality of these. They block out external noises, even including snoring. And most of all, the headphones are so comfortable. It's probably one of the most comfortable pair that I've had in a long time. But that's just my point of view.